Today we are going to start revision of chapter number 11, construction. Only few constructions are there. So एक बार यहाँ पे देख लो ये this is the resource available in my website RoboCompass resources. पूरा 9th 10th का resources है. So class 10th का first exercise से केवल एक ही construction करना है, that is the division of line segment. Okay, so this is the first question. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Right, so let us start the construction. First we are going to take 2 points. We are going to draw 2 points A, और A से हम लोग एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं 7.6 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, now I'm going to draw, we'll take this point as B. Now I'm going to draw one acute angle. Okay, acute angle. Now how many equal parts we have to divide?
13.
13, very good, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the last 13th. Now we have to join B and A13. Okay, उसके बाद हम लोग को अब पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. सो पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए either you can use sets of square using with the help of sets of square, or we can draw by using pair of compass also. So यहाँ पे फिलहाल मैं इससे स्क्वायर सेट से यूज कर रहा हूँ. See, okay, it will intersect AB at point P. So AP is 2.9 centimeter if you measure with the help of scale, and PB is equals to 4.7, and the total is 7.6. This point is divides AB in the ratio 5:8. किसी को कोई डाउट है? अगर हम लोग को 7:6 चाहिए तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 7 से पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. राइट, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward the next one. The next questions are not from your that has been deleted for this academic year. Now the second exercise will start with the first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. Okay, so let us start. First we have to take center O, and with radius 6 centimeter we are going to draw one circle. Now we have to take one point 10 centimeter away from the center, point P. Join OP. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. So with center O and radius more than half of AB, we have to draw arcs from both sides. Both sides with center O and P. Okay, so it will intersect at point A. This point is A, and on the other side also we are going to draw two arcs with same radius, and they will intersect at point B. Now we will join AB. So AB will intersect OP at point M. So this point of intersection is M. Now with center M and radius OM or PM, draw one circle which intersect the two circles at 2 points. We'll take it as Q and R. Okay, this point is Q and this point is R. After that we have to join PQ and PR. So PQ and PR are the required tangents. Okay, any doubt in that question?
No, sir.
Okay, now construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So this is the second question. So now we are going to start. First we'll take point P and with center O and radius 4 centimeter we are going to draw one circle. Again with center O and radius 6 centimeter concentric circle we have to draw. So this is radius 6 centimeter. Now we are going to take one point P. Okay, so join OP. Then with center O, draw one arc of radius more than half of OB, both sides. And with center P again draw arcs on both sides of the same radius. Both will intersect at point A and B. Both will intersect at point A and B. So this point is A and this point is B. Now we'll join AB. Right? So AB जो होगा that will be the perpendicular bisector of OP. It will intersect OP at point M. Now we'll draw one circle with center M and radius OM, which will intersect the circle with the inner circle at 2 points Q and R. Okay, then after that we'll join PQ and PR. First we'll join PQ, then we will join PR. So PQ and PR are the required tangents. Okay, so this is the construction number 2. Now we are going to start the construction number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So let us start this one. Okay, so we are going to take first, we are going to draw a circle, okay, of radius 3 centimeter with center O. Now what we will do, we will take point P and Q on its extended diameter, which is 7 centimeter from the center O, P and Q. Okay, this is the diameter and we extended up to P and Q. Right? Now with center P we are going to draw 2 arcs on the same on the both sides, and such that the radius should be more than half of OB. Otherwise they will not intersect. And with center O's and same radius we are going to draw arcs on both sides. Both will intersect at points A and B. Okay, A and B. Now we'll join A and B. Okay, that will be the perpendicular bisector of OP. Perpendicular bisector of OP. So it will intersect OP at point C. Now again with center C and radius OC, we are going to draw one circle. right, which will intersect the given circle at point R and S. Now we'll join PR and PS. That will conclude, that will be the tangents from point P. Now after that we have to draw the tangents from point Q. So जो हम लोग process point P से हम लोग जो किए थे, same process हम लोग यहाँ पर करेंगे. So first we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ. For that, with center O, we have to draw two arcs on the both sides such that the radius should be more than half of OQ. With center Q, again we are going to draw the arcs on both sides. Both will intersect at point A, B, C, D and E. After that we will join DE. Okay, so that will be the perpendicular bisector of OQ. So DE is the perpendicular bisector of OQ, which will intersect OQ at point F. उसके बाद F को सेंटर लेते हुए OF को रेडियस लेते हुए will draw the circle, either OF or FQ. So it will intersect the given circle at point T and U. T and U. Now we have to join QT and QU. QT and QU. So PR, PS, QT, QU are the required tangents from P and Q. Okay, so this is the third construction. Now we are moving towards the fourth construction. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Right? This is also very important construction. So first we are going to draw we are going to mark one center O, and with center O radius 5 centimeter we are going to draw a circle. Okay. Now see, यहाँ पे हम लोग दो tangents बना रहे हैं, उनके बीच का एंगल 60 डिग्री है. तो सेंटर पे जो रेडियस के बीच में, दो रेडियाई के बीच में जो एंगल रहेगा, that will be 180 minus 60, 120. So we will make 120 angle here. Okay, right. अभी यहाँ पर हम लोग 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. एक्चुअल में कंपास से ड्रॉ करना है, ये मैं प्रोटेक्टर का यूज़ किया हूँ. नाउ हियर वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ 120 डिग्री. दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू यूजिंग कंपास. और यहाँ से अगेन 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, 90 डिग्री यहाँ से पॉइंट बी. This is point B, and through B we have to draw one perpendicular. So 90 degree angle. This also you have to use protractor. Compass. So both will intersect at point P. So PA and PB are the required tangents inclined at an angle 60 degree. Okay, you can measure also these two angles. If you measure, you will get exactly 60 degree. Okay, देखो यहाँ पर measure करके देख रहे हैं 60 degree. Okay, and you can measure this angle also 120 degree. So 120, 60 both are supplementary angles. Right? P and PP are the required angles. So whatever the angle we made, this 120 and this 290, that you have to do by compass. Okay, so now next question, a construction. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter, taking A as center. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Okay, so let us start this one. First we are going to take point A. ओके, यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. Now we'll take this point as B, right? Now with center A, we have to draw circle of 4 centimeter. And with center B, we have to draw circle of 3 centimeter radius. ठीक है, ये 4 centimeter radius और ये 3 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, what we will do, with center A we have to draw 2 arcs on both sides such that the radius should be more than half of AB, and with center B and using the same radius we have to draw 2 arcs on both sides, and both arcs will be going to intersect each other, right? So इसको point C ले लेंगे और इसको point D ले लेंगे. Okay, so this point is C and this point is D. Now we'll join C and D. So that will be the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. So we'll join CD. CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB, which will intersect AB at point E. Now with center E and radius AE or BE, we'll draw one circle which will intersect the two circles at 4 points P, Q, R, S. Okay, इसको P ले रहे हैं, इसको Q लेंगे, and this will be R and this will be S. R, S. Then after that we will join AP, AQ. Okay, we'll join AP and AQ, then BR and BS, then BS. So PA, PA, PQ, QA, BS, BR are the required tangents. PAQB, this is wrong. Wait, इसको करेक्ट कर लेते हैं. PAQA, BR and BS, right? Okay. Any doubt in this construction?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to start the next one. Second last, let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equals to 6 centimeter, BC is equals to 8 centimeter, and angle B is equals to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Okay, so let us start this construction. Right. So first what we will do, we will draw one line segment. Okay. So एक line segment हम draw कर रहे हैं BC. So we'll mark B and C. Okay. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग को एक 90 degree draw करना है because angle B is given 90 degree. So how will you draw one semicircular arc which will intersect BC at point D. फिर पॉइंट D से एक आर्क और ड्रॉ करेंगे विद सेम रेडियस विच विल इंटरसेक्ट पॉइंट E at point E. Again with center E we will draw one more arc of same radius which will intersect the first arc or semicircular arc at point F. Now with center E and F we are going to draw two arcs on this side such that the radius should be more than half of EF. First we are going to draw with center E, then we will draw with center F with same radius. Both will intersect at point M. Then we will join BM. We will draw a line through BM. Okay. Right. Now we'll mark. We will draw an arc, and this point is A. will join AC then. Will join AC. नाउ B से हम लोग को एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, BD परपेंडिकुलर टू AC. सो B से एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे which will intersect AC at 2 points P and Q. P and Q. Again with center P and Q we will draw two arcs on this side such that the radius should be more than half of PQ. So Q से draw कर रहे हैं, same radius का arc P से draw करेंगे. Both will intersect at point R. Okay, now we'll join BR. We'll join BR, which will intersect AC at point D. So this point is D. Now we have to draw one circle. We have to draw a circle which passes through BDC. Already this angle is 90 degree and we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So what we will do, we will find the midpoint of BC. Okay, कैसे निकालेंगे? Perpendicular bisector draw करके. So with center B we have to draw two arcs on both sides such that the radius should be more than half of BC. And with center C, same radius, we are going to draw the two arcs on both sides. Both will intersect at 2 points. We'll take those 2 points as G and H. This point is G and this point is H. After that we will join GH. उससे क्या होगा? हम लोग को BC का midpoint मिल जाएगा. Right? We will join GH. So which will intersect BC at point, we'll take it as O. Now with center O and OB or OC as radius, we'll draw one circle or semicircular arc we draw कर सकते हैं, but we'll draw one circle which passes through BDC. Now see, already AB जो है वो OB radius से perpendicular है, so AB is a tangent. So what we will do, we will measure AB and we will cut one arc here. Okay, so let this point is R and we will join AR. So this AB and AR are the required tangents from point A. Okay, so any doubt for this construction?
No, sir.
This construction is not important for your board exam. Okay, even this also not important. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So एक rough हम लोग circle draw कर रहे हैं. Okay, without center. So we'll take one point P outside the circle. Okay, now we have to draw, what we have to draw? We have to draw two tangents from OP. So first what we will do, we will find the center. Center के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दो chord बना के उसका perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे. Okay, so let us start. Two chords. AB is the one chord and we'll take another two chords, another chord CD. C, D. Okay, now we'll join CD. After that we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and CD. So first AB, with center A, draw an arc of radius more than half of AB, both sides. And with center B and same radius, draw arc on both sides. They will intersect at 2 points, E and F. Okay, we'll join EF and we'll extend little bit up to here. Okay, this is point E and this is point F. Yes. Okay, now we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. So with center C, draw arcs on both sides such that the radius should be more than half of CD, and with center D, we are going to draw the arcs on both sides, same radius with same radius. Both will intersect at 2 points and we'll join those 2 points. Okay, so that will be the perpendicular bisector of CD. उसके बाद ये दोनों को जब extend करेंगे, both will intersect at point O. We will, if we extend this to, both will intersect at point O. थोड़ा सा extend कर रहे हैं, देखो. And the intersecting point is nothing but that is the center. So this is the center. अब सेंटर मिलने के बाद बाकी प्रोसेस बिल्कुल सेम है. We will join OP and we'll find the perpendicular bisector of OP. So with center O and radius more than half of OP, we will draw 2 arcs on both sides. Okay, so both will intersect at 2 points. अभी P से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं हम लोग with the same radius. Okay, जो O से लिए थे. So both will intersect at 2 points. Let the 2 points be I and J. दोनों points को mark कर रहे हैं. Now we'll join these 2 points. Which will intersect OP at point at M. Now with center M and OM or PM radius, we have to draw one circle, which will intersect the given circle at point Q and R. Q and R. Now we have to join PQ and PR. So पहले PQ PR join कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद PQ. Then PR and PQ are the required tangents. So this is the last construction of the exercise. Any doubt in this construction? So that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.